एस्ट्रोनेट्रा में आपका स्वागत है। टॉप 10 एस्ट्रोलॉजर इन बैंगलोर, एस्ट्रो ऋषिकेश। He is practicing astrology for the last 20 years and has immense knowledge of Vedic astrology. He has solved 600 property disputes, 800 Vastu issues, and 2000 love and relationship problems. He also solving issues like Grih Dosh, love marriage, Naukri Samasya. Pandit Vijay Ji. Astrologer Vijay Ji is a resident of Bangalore. He specializes in chakra movements and curing black magic. He is a well-known spiritual leader, palm reader, psychic, and horoscope predictor. Pandit Vijay Ji offers solutions to depression, childless problems, husband-wife quarrels. Shri Padmakara Joshi. Padmakara Joshi is carry forwarding the legacy of his father and grandfather as an astrologer. He has immense knowledge of Feng Shui, Vedic astrology and scientific astrology. पिछले 15 वर्षों से जोशी जी इस पेशे में हैं और उन्होंने AIFS बेंगलोर से सारा ज्ञान प्राप्त किया है। जोशी जी has received awards like ज्योतिष रत्ना, ज्योतिष भूषण, वास्तु रत्ना and ज्योतिष शास्त्राचार्य. Padmakara Joshi provides career, medical astrology, gemstone corporate, education. पंडित BS राव. पंडित BS राव एक प्रसिद्ध ज्योतिषी और शिरडी साईं बाबा के अनुयायी हैं। He is known for accurate palm reading, face reading, photograph, and horoscope reading. For the last 45 years he also knows KP astrology, Nadi astrology, and Janam Kundali analysis. Guruji BH Acharya. Guruji BH Acharya has gathered immense knowledge of Vedic astrology from his ancestors. For the last 10 years, he has helped 2,500 plus clients and maintained 100% client satisfaction. Acharya gives career counseling and gemstone suggestions. Pandit Ramakrishna Shastri. पंडित रामकृष्ण शास्त्री ज्योतिष में 25 वर्षों का अनुभव है। उन्होंने कई ग्राहकों की मदद की है, जैसे यूके, इंडिया, द यूएसए, कनाडा, ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड न्यूजीलैंड. He has some unique powers and can perform tantric mantra, वशीकरण and kriya rituals. Pandit Suranjan. Pandit Suranjan started his spiritual journey at the young age of 9 years under the guidance of his father. वह अपने ज्ञान के माध्यम से ग्राहकों की जीवन शैली को बेहतर बनाने के लिए लगातार प्रयास करते हैं। Today he is one of the prominent astrologers to provide psychic, astrology and spiritual guidance. श्री शिवराम कृष्णन. श्री शिवराम कृष्णन एक ब्राह्मण परिवार से ताल्लुक रखते हैं। शिवा रामकृष्णन is offering correct predictions like दशा भक्ति, Jupiter, Rahu, and Ketu based on scientific principles. He specializes in tarot reading, name analysis, numerology, and kundali making. Acharya D.N. Sana. He holds a master's degree in astrology and has immense knowledge of Vedic astrology. Acharya specializes in guiding business and misfortune. Many clients trust him for offering instant, direct. Srimati Shanta Bele. Srimati Shanta Bele, the only female astrologer, is a gold medal numerologist. Srimati Bele masters in Ashtvarga, numerology, and Vedic astrology.